Escorial, a historic residence of King of Spain, located 4 kilometers up the valley from the town of El Escorial and about 45 kilometers northwest of the Spanish capital Madrid. We took a local train from Madrid to El Escorial. It was a nice short day trip to a unique Spanish royal site with more than 500 years of history. Built between 1563 and 1584 by order of King Philip II, El Escorial is the largest Renaissance building in the world. El Escorial was both a Spanish royal palace, a grand collection of libraries, and a monastery. Built primarily from local grey granite, it takes the form of a gigantic quadrangle. Adjacent garden was geometrically patterned and very well maintained. Beautifully preserved over time, in 1984, El Escorial was declared as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Although we found that the royal palace and the monastery was closed for maintenance, we enjoyed the peaceful surroundings in a very hot day. We felt tranquility, walked around the historical site for a while before going back to Madrid.